Hi. So in your template, you might have not only data, but tabs that don't make sense for your app, right? So in this app, we have 5 different tabs here on our bottom row. And we have a lot of information that you might not need. So how do you take that away or delete those tabs? It's very easy. The only thing you have to do is go over here on your left to your tabs icon, and then on your right you can see what comes up, right? So we have 5 tabs that are showing up on the bottom row. Then we have, in this case, in this app, we have 3 tabs that show up on our menu on our top left. So we have patients, doctors, and chat, and then by default Glide adds the About tab and the Sign Out. It's not a tab button, right? The About tab, you can take it away when you upgrade to Pro. So if you want to hide, let's say I only need my calendar and my map style tabs, right? So the only way to delete these tabs, since you're not deleting the data in your spreadsheet, but only deleting the way people engage with that data through these tabs, then you, on your right, you select the tab and you move it over to hidden tabs. Oh, here we go, hidden tab. Why is it not hiding? There we go. And then let's hide again the checklist style. It doesn't make sense for this app or for this template. I move it here, and then also the list tab. So now, as you can see, I only have these 2 tabs in my bottom row. Again, I have my menu tab. I can always click this. You can see these 3 tabs here on top. So I can always move this and hide this tab all the way here. Now, the About tab, in order to hide that, you would go here to, that's a good question, privacy, no. Sharing, so settings, sharing, and then you can click this button that says hide about screen. You can only unlock that with the Pro app, right? But that way, the About tab will be hidden. Then if you have apps that are not being supposed to be shared, then people won't be able to see the link or see the QR code. So that's how you delete or change your tabs in Glide.